Hello scrappers! Today I'm going to try speed scrapping these 4 DSL filters. I'm going to see how quickly I can do these. I've done a ton of these in the past, so it shouldn't be hard. There's usually a nice little surprise of copper in these. Yeah, 3.3 of a pound. I'm going to put it right on ounces. Let's see what it weighs in ounces. 4.5 ounces. So let's, I'm not going to waste my time getting the brass out of these, the gold plating out of these. But I am going to get, there's only one pin. You know what, I'm not even going to waste my time getting the gold out of those either. Let's just see how quickly I can bash these apart. There's usually a nice little hunk of copper in each one of these. I love my hammer, my homemade hammer. You don't got to worry about the claw of it getting hung up on stuff. Alright, don't need gloves no more. These things right here always got a nice little chunk of copper in them. Just snap off the cap. Harvest as much as I can. So we got number 2 insulated copper bearing board, number 2 copper. Almost pinched my finger. Number 2 insulated, copper bearing board, number 2 copper. A little bit left here. Oh, look at that. That was pretty quick. 2.5 ounces of scrap. So we got some number 2 insulated. It was 1/2 ounce of number 2 insulated. Ounce and a half of a copper bearing circuit board. And 1/2 ounce of number 2 copper. That's pretty fun. Some number 2 insulated. That was kind of fun. So just remember guys, scrap is everywhere. All you gotta do is find it, sort it, and hoard it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.